Welcome back to the next episode in the RX-8 series.
Seriously, I just had it.
It's been a little while since my last video. I've been busy with work and other things, but this past weekend I have spent the last pretty much 3 days in the garage cleaning, prepping, reassembling, and reinstalling the motor and the transmission and everything into this car after I had a catastrophic Torrington bearing failure in the front due to a mistake that I made reassembling last time. And I'm ready to fire this thing up. So here we go. I'm pretty nervous and I'm hoping that things will go well this time and this will fire right up. We'll see what happens. Well, nothing yet, but I do smell fuel, which leads me to believe it is trying. I'm thinking that maybe my plugs are gooped up and I'm just not getting anything, and it sounds like my battery's a little bit low. So I'm gonna throw that on the charger and we're gonna try again in a second. Charger schmarger. We're hitting it with a jump pad. Let's see this thing fire. Ooh, I can smell the gas. Let's deflood and try again. Yeah, just taking a look at the spark plugs. They are soaking wet. So I'm gonna dry these up, crank it over, do the deflood procedure, and then we're gonna dry these out and try again. Okay, so I've run the deflood procedure without the spark plugs in. I'm gonna crank it over one more time with the spark plugs in, running the deflood procedure so that it will burn up any excess gas that is in the combustion chamber, and then I'm gonna try to start it. So let's try again. Well, we're gonna give it another go. Fingers crossed. Hopefully third time's a charm. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Again, doing the deflood procedure with the spark plugs back in and then cranking it over and seeing what happens. It runs! F&A! Well, that was a bear! My wife just texted me and said, "Yay, congrats." She's probably tired of hearing this thing go. Yes. Yay! The RX-8 is alive once again. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't want to shut it off. I'm afraid it'll never start back up again.